How to copy graph from Excel to Word. First of all, whether you're on a MacBook laptop or a Windows PC computer, you'll want to put on the left hand side Microsoft Excel and on the right hand side Microsoft Word, like so. So then what you want to do is then right click on the graph you want to copy. Once you've right clicked on it, you should see the pop-up menu there. You can click on copy. Then you want to right click on the Microsoft Word document, then press paste, and you can see there that Microsoft Excel table, graph or chart will be pasted in to the Microsoft Word document there. You can even edit it, change like the title, etc. You can do different things to it there. So that's one method. A second method as well, if you click on it correctly, so you're going to click on it like I show here, you can make this graph as a picture, so then you can have it as like a PNG, JPEG type document, which then you can paste in. So there's a different way if this first way doesn't work for you. So what you want to do, you want to click on it like so, right click there, and then you will be able to go ahead and then save as picture. There you will be able to change it as a PNG. You want to save it to wherever you know you can get it. So for me, I put it on the desktop. Then you want to click Insert on Microsoft Word there. Then you want to click on the Insert Picture section, so picture there. Then click on that PNG picture you've just created there. Click Insert, then it will be in your Microsoft Word document. That's how you copy your graph. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.